Hi, may unbox po kami.
Yan, kinumpleto na ni Gabe yung Blockies na Sesame Street. Ito yung wave 1. Ito na lang yung kulang namin. Si Abby and si Big Bird. Yan. Sino uunahin mo?
Let's
Si Abby.
go. Look, meron pong may mga po, like nakakadikit po. Like yung one niya daw po, sa paa din daw po. At saka po sa wings. Like parang if you stick yung sa
Yan
back.
yung suction cups. Yan, meron. Yan na, open mo na, unbox mo na, buuin mo na din. Let's go! Yan, yung instruction ni Abby. Yan. Card ni Abby.
Let's go. Ponytail. Yung head.
Yan, yung head. This is the wing.
Yeah. Ayun.
Yan yung arms. Ganda, pink.
Yes.
Nice. Yan yung feet.
Next, the wand.
Build the one. Ganda, parang lollipop na cotton candy na ewan. Cute.
I was
Tapos,
thinking
ayan.
like parang lollipop na nasa wrapper.
Yeah. Pwede yung suction cups.
Yeah.
Didikit yan dito sa foam. Nice. So, yung wings niya.
Ito na po si Abby.
Cute. Ang ganda ni Abby. Yan.
This is how she stands.
Yun. That's all.
All.
Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.